introduce me Rahmiat Rumlandari from Management Class 2, Regular C and Group 3. Me and my friend will presentation gerund and infinitive material. Definition of gerund and infinitive. What's a gerund? A gerund is the noun form of a verb that ends in "-ing". For example, playing, dancing, eating. Right away, this is confusing for students, as they are used to seeing the form of the continuous or progressive form of the verb. She is eating, they were dancing. However, a gerund is a noun and is the subject or object of the sentence. Examples are: cooking is my favorite hobby, subject, or I hate studying, object. The following table gerund. Examples: 1. Reading helps you learn English, subject of sentence. 2. Her favorite hobby is reading, complement of sentence. And 3. I enjoy reading, object of sentence. Gerunds can be made negative by adding not. Example: 1. He enjoys not walking. And 2. The best thing for your healthy is not smoking. What's an infinitive? An infinitive is to plus verb base form. For example, to play, to dance, to eat. Some people call the word infinitive the best form, but I think it's easier for students to think of infinitive as the two parts that they are, to plus base form, and stress that they need both of these parts to form the complete infinitive. This is different from Latin-based language, where the infinitive is just one word. Like gerund, infinitive can also be the subject or object of a sentence. All verbs, except for modal, have both a gerund and an infinitive form. The trick is deciding which form we need. Here, I'm focusing more on gerunds and infinitive as object rather than subject. Thought I will briefly say that, generally speaking, subject take the gerund form when we use the infinitive as a subject. It usually sounds very normal or very emphatic. To dance is to live, or to complete your thesis is your number one priority. However, this is much less common than just using the gerund as the subject. Completing your thesis should be your focus right now.
Okay. Example: to learn is important, subject of sentence. The most important thing to learn. Complement of sentence. He wants to learn, object of sentence. Infinitive can be made negative by adding not. Example: I decided not to go. The most important thing is not to give up. Use gerund or an infinitive. Both gerund infinitives can be used as the subject or the complement of a sentence. However, as a subject or complements, gerund usually sound more like normal spoken English, where infinitive sound more abstract in following sentence. Gerund sound more natural and would be more common in everyday English. Infinitives emphasis in the probability or potential. for something and sound more philosophical if the sound coughing. Just remember 99 of the time you will use a gerund as the subject or a complement of a sentence. The next example, learning is important normal subject. To learn is important abstract subject as command. The most important thing is learning normal complement. The most important thing is to learn abstract complement as command. As the object of sentence, it is more difficult to cause between a gerund or an infinitive. In such situations, gerund and infinitive are not normal interchangeable. Usually, the main verb the sentence determines whether you use a gerund or an infinitive. Example: he enjoy swimming. Enjoy requires a gerund. He wants to swim. One requires an infinitive.
Number 3. Some verbs are followed by gerund as object. Example, she suggests going to a movie. Mary kept talking about her problem. Number 4. Some verbs are followed by infinitive. Example, she wants to go to a movie. Mary needs to talk about her problem. Difference between gerund and infinitive. Certain verbs such as verb concerning emotion, completion, and the verb remember can be affected by choosing to use the gerund or infinitive. As explained above, the gerund and the infinitive have the same function as subject and object, and both have the same meaning. Example, gerund, to eat too much sugar is not healthy. Infinitive, eating too much sugar is not healthy. However, for some cases, we use the gerund or infinitive based on the meaning we want to express. We can use the gerund to describe the actual action. On the other hand, we use the infinitive to describe the action that will occur. Example, gerund, playing golf every day is boring. Infinitive, to play golf every day would be my idea of happy retirement. That's the presentation from our group. If there are mistakes, we apologize. Thank you.